um, Today you can connect your Solana wallet to the Xdao app. As here you can see, I have the DAO. And previously we had already connected our Telegram account, and also was in the DAO gap, okay, in the channel of the DAO. So don't hesitate to join their channel, and also me too. I'm in their channel and their gap, and it says that be a DAO creator. I am, as you can see, they are checked, and select DAO for the airdrop and subscribe to their channel. We have already done that before, and here this is my DAO. We have already reserved for the airdrop. Okay, you can change your DAO if you want, but I don't recommend it. And here you can see your linked account. Anyways, for the airdrop section, you need to connect your Solana wallet to the app. For that, first of all, you need to connect your wallet. I have the Tone Keeper. You need to connect your Tone wallet that you have already connected before to the app. Here is mine, and I have connected it. Then you can see how much DAO you have. I have, for example, 2 million DAO. I have farmed 55 million and 182 from my referrals. Okay, I don't care. Now, the only thing that you need to do is to connect your Solana wallet. Okay, just go to the Phantom wallet and copy your Solana wallet. So you need to just connect your Phantom wallet. Just go to the Phantom and create a new wallet. Okay, I have a new wallet here. I never use a wallet that I have much money in it for airdrop. For any airdrop, use empty. Okay, and then click on receive, copy your address, and then paste it here in this section. And then you need to sign a message with Tonekeeper. It will go to the Tonekeeper to the address that you have provided before in this section. Okay, and you will sign in with your wallet, and that's it. And the token will be on Solana. As you can see, it's a Solana airdrop. It will be a Solana token. If you want to swap it fast and sell it fast, I don't know, and will it rise or will it fall in the price? So if you want to sell it fast and just have some Solana in your wallet, at least $3 or $4 for swapping and selling your tokens if you want. Yeah, and here you can see your tokens, how much token you have. I don't know if they will have vesting or not. I don't think so. They have not talked about vesting program. I haven't seen it yet. So, and in this section you can see your DAO and DAO members, and this is not working now for me. And if you want to, I don't recommend you to change your wallet, but if you don't have access to your Tone wallet, okay, this is my Tone wallet. Okay, if you don't have access to this, you can come and provide a new Tone wallet address here, and say your reason. For example, I have lost my wallet, and they can provide you a new Tone wallet address. Okay, just paste the new Tone address here, and they will change your address in 30 days. So that's it, guys. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and also join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, and share this video with your friends. See you guys, and bye bye.